Gusty winds to buffet Atlantic Canada as yet another storm arrives. Welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. If it's another week, it's another storm rolling across the east coast. The storm arriving to round up the month of November won't bring quite as much trouble as some recent systems, with milder air keeping this and all rain events for everywhere except for far northeastern New Brunswick. Gusty winds, though, will prove challenging for the travelers and could lead to risk for the power outages in some areas. A low pressure system developing over the New England will track into the Maritimes to begin the final week of November. This budding system will venture much farther west than previous storms, allowing southerly winds to draw in temperatures and the Atlantic air that will keep the region mild through Monday. Steady rain and increasing winds will buffet the Maritimes beginning early Monday and lasting into the afternoon hours. Widespread wind gusts of 70 to 80 km per hour are possible across the Maritimes on Monday, with the highest gusts expected for the coastal communities. Generally, rainfall totals will remain on the lighter side, with 10 to 30 mm falling in the gorges by the end of the day. The greatest rainfall accumulations are expected along the coast in Nova Scotia east of Halifax. Rain will end from the west to east heading into the evening as a front push across the region. Precipitation will begin as snow in the western Newfoundland before transitioning over the rain, while the rest of the island can expect rain from the duration of the system. Gusts will grow a little stronger here than they were a day earlier down in the Maritimes, with the windy possibly reaching 80 to 90 km per hour through Tuesday evening. This could lead to a slight risk of power outages and travel issues. Rainfall totals of 30 to 40 mm are possible along the southern coast of Newfoundland, with 20 to 30 mm expected around St. John's. We'll see the surge of cold air filter into the Maritimes behind this system, bringing many areas their chilliest temperatures so far this season. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.